Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wal aqibatu lil muttaqeen wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil anbiya'i wal mursaleen amma ba'd fa a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim as-salatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulallah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Habiballah. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today our topic is children and self-care. Growing up, children learn a great deal from the people around them. With a little encouragement, they will develop a productive and positive attitude. Since self-care and personal hygiene are cornerstones of well-being and health, children need to be guided about these matters early on. You may be thinking about what all of this means. After all, with so many conflicting views about health and hygiene, where does one even begin? Well, we have put together this brief guide to help you the most important aspects of self care that you need to implement with your little ones. Number one, train them to wash their hands, wash their face, and brush their teeth as soon as they wake up. Set a bathing schedule for them to ensure that they are bathing throughout the week. This is especially important in the summer and after they have been doing sports or playing outside. Number two, make sure they wash their hands before eating and don't just tell them to do this, lead by example and do it yourself too. Number three, uncut nails can harbor germs under them. Get them to cut their nails every week or every 10 days. Number four, if they have been playing outside, ensure that their hands, feet, and shoes are cleaned before they go or do anything else. Teach them to pick up after themselves and keep their environment clean so that they grow into responsible adults. Practically, this means they should be putting away their toys and dishes. Children should be taught to place their uniform, school bag, and shoes in their correct place when returning from school or madrasa. Get them into a routine of putting away their stationery. Teach them to protect their clothes by playing in clean places. Teach them the correct way of dining so that they do not soil their clothes during meals. You will wash and iron their clothes, but teach them how to fold and organize clothes. This will help them become independent. Do not ignore if your children throw wrappers or crisp packet on the floor. Make them pick them up and put them in the bin. You should also keep your surroundings clean and tell your children the same thing. To achieve this, give them a light but consistent schedule of chores. For example, have them clean the table one day and then make them dust the furniture for a few days after. Going beyond personal benefits of hygiene, remember them that Allah Almighty likes purity. Our religion gives special importance of cleanliness and our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam loves cleanliness. These steps will help you and your children as long as you take a fair and kind approach. That means giving them one instructions at a time and never insulting them. May Allah Almighty grant us the ability to raise our children in a good manner. Ameen bijahin nabiyil ameen wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.